these shorts. So bad.
I like it.
Really? There's so little room in here that I can't do it. We're on the plane. Me too.
Good morning for those of you can.
And I just had an everything bagel and I'm ready to sleep.
As you can see, the area is good morning and welcome aboard.
Looks like I have one tooth. Look. Where are my fish? Cute. We're not gonna see any real manatees, so that manatee is all we're gonna get. Alright, I got a Supreme. Look, coconut bar, strawberry, vanilla, chocolate. No, actually I paid $2 USD for it. But it doesn't taste like strawberry. Not happening. I know. I think the colors are just colors. I don't like the flavor. It's more about me. I'm not very athletic, so.
For every level, quarters is the first level, officer is the next, climb the ladder.
Oh, well, I'm an officer.
No, I'm gonna have a medical.
It's not too tall, though. He's a big boy. We're about to go on a ghost tour and they just gave us equipment. What is this one? The EVP reader?
I guess.
This is like in Paranormal Activity 4, right? When they have the Xbox. Cute. I'm sensing something on my EVP. It's a moron alert. Sisters that are ghost hunting. Ghost hunting.
No, that's a voice recorder.
brother's dark chocolate, so.
I'm gonna be making some chocolate, so.
You're gonna be making, no, you're just gonna be eating it.
I'm just gonna be eating it.
It was at this point that we were told that we could not film inside the chocolate factory. So instead, I took a bunch of beautiful photos and will now sing you a beautiful song. Where we go, nobody knows. Running on our petticoat. I'm never gonna quit, no, never gonna quit, no. Dressed in black, head to toe. Gonna sit on our petticoat. No, never gonna quit, no, never gonna quit, no. Your rent car smells like chocolate. Okay, enough of that for It's raining, so that's but we had some weird experiences today. At the beach today, we actually saw there was like these little mullet fish, and they're like 6 to 8 inches long probably. And so there was like a bunch of pelicans like following the school of fish or whatever, and they were they would like come in with like the waves that were breaking and like hit you in the legs and stuff, and they were like jumping out of the waves, so they were really close and they were kind of like touching us. But then because there was such a big school of fish, we actually saw a shark. We saw probably like a 3 to 4 foot shark, which is not that big, but it was crazy to see him up so close. He was probably like 2 feet away from where I was in the water, which was kind of scary because I've never seen a shark like that. But after we saw the shark, there was like these ladies behind us, and they were like, oh my god, is that a shark? Like they were freaking out, so we were talking to them about it, and they were really cute, but it was kind of scary. I had one of those like awkward waiter encounters like at a restaurant that kind of makes you want to crawl into a ball and die. Our waiter came over to our table at dinner, and I was like, hi, how are you? And he said, okay.
Okay.
And I was like, okay. We got new towels, woo! I used my beach towel to dry my face yesterday after I washed it, which is not good, I would say, because the beach towel is dirty. I really like the shuttle driver. He was like, I'm a part-time tour guide and part-time MMA fighter, because he was threatening to fight a driver in front of us on the road, which I was amused by. I was like, okay. Also, our tour guide, he was like introducing himself. He was like, hey guys, as you might have noticed, I'm like missing a few teeth. And I was like, okay, like I don't judge people, and I thought he was just missing those teeth, like and he was like, yeah, I just got hit by a car the other day. And we were like, I feel like you can't say something like that nonchalantly. So I was really curious about that. Alright, it's time for a nap. Do you remember the other thing that the shuttle driver said was that he has hit pedestrians before with his rearview mirrors because the roads are so narrow here? Which is not that funny, but kind of funny. There's like these narrow one-way cobblestone roads in like the downtown area, and he's like, yeah, these like shuttles that we drive are kind of like large in width or whatever. And he was like, there have been a couple times where I hit a pedestrian with my rearview mirror, and then I just kind of drive away and I don't look. Just some bread. Bread behind the wheel.